Uncover the art, the world of paint markers. Hello, and welcome to our vibrant learning space. Today, we're going to dive into the colorful world of paint markers. Whether you're an aspiring artist or just curious, understanding this tool can add a splash of creativity to your expressions. So, let's get started and explore the magic behind paint markers. Paint markers are a type of marker that contains paint instead of traditional ink. Unlike regular markers, they use a valve action to release paint, which makes them perfect for bold and opaque writing or drawing on a variety of surfaces including metal, glass, plastic, and paper. Every paint marker consists of a few key parts. The body. This holds the paint and comes in various sizes. The nib. This is the tip of the marker, which can be fine, medium, or broad. The valve. This controls the flow of paint to the nib. Understanding these parts can help you choose the right marker for your project. Using paint markers might seem daunting, but it's actually quite simple. 1. Shake the marker well to mix the paint. 2. Press the nib down a few times to get the paint flowing. 3. Test the marker on a scrap piece of paper before use. 4. Apply to your chosen surface with smooth, even strokes. To keep your paint markers in top condition, follow these tips. Store them horizontally to prevent the paint from settling. Cap tightly after use to prevent the paint from drying out. Clean the nib regularly for clear and crisp lines. We hope this video has painted a clear picture of paint markers and how they can bring your artistic visions to life. Remember, the key is to experiment and have fun with your creations. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more artistic insights. Happy creating!